Hello and welcome to the Slingshot channel. I just returned from a vacation in the south of France and I actually found this knife here right at the roadside. It is an Opinel No. 8 knife, one of the very classic French knives. As you see, it's in fairly bad condition but still functional. It's a locking knife that actually locks by means of this rotating little sleeve here that actually allows me to close the knife in this position only. It is old. A user on Facebook actually told me that it must have been made before 2000 because then they did a small technical change that I can show you on a larger version. So this is number 8, and the larger the number, the larger the size. And this is a number 13. So as you see, it's a rather big one, and this is brand new. And it has this kind of same mechanism, just everything is bigger. Let me put this down. So this rotates, and as you see, the sleeve actually is filed in a way that is self-adjusting. So even if this should give a little bit, it will still, because this is actually on a grade here. So you can see that there should be almost no play in the blade here from this position. This one also has the change that they made in the lower ones. And this is this little notch here. So if I close it, you can see that I can also lock it in closed condition by turning it around like so. You can see now I can no longer open it. And this has been introduced around the year 2000. So the Opinel No. 8 that I found must have been older than that. We will try to restore it as good as we can to make it looking shiny again. So now it is basically finished. It is razor sharp. It is completely rust free. It doesn't really give. There's no play in it. Functionality is completely there. So this is currently locked. I unlock it like so. Okay. It's no longer lacquered. It's actually now polished and oiled. You can open it at any time and then lock it again. And it is very firm. Beautiful knife now, don't you think?